Okay, I'm doing a AI cubism YouTube special effects here related to the Space Shuttle Columbia, which exploded on February 1st, 2003 while re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. The disaster killed all of the 7 crew members. And so, now another common denominator that I have made related to the shuttle is, crafting. People will use shuttles in crafting and things like that for yarn. Yarn, when you want to wrap yarn around something, you have a shuttle. Then you have shuttle bus services. I'm sure there's many other things that people use a shuttle for. You use a shuttle in weaving. A bus is another word for a shuttle. Shuttle's another word for a bus. Let's put it that way. But I did want to tie these things in together. I wanted to remember the Columbia disaster. And so the Columbia disaster was the second space shuttle disaster following the Challenger in 1986. The disaster led to the end of the NASA Space Shuttle program. The disaster reshaped NASA's approach to innovation and risk management. The lessons learned from the disaster continue to shape the space industry. And so the things that happened here, now I've looked this up on Google. This is where I'm getting my information from. The Columbia's 28th mission, STS-107, launched on January 16, 2003. During launch, foam from the external tank ET struck the left wing's reinforced carbon panels. The foam strike caused a breach in the orbiter. As the shuttle re-entered the atmosphere, it suffered a catastrophic failure and broke apart over Texas and Louisiana. The crew lost sensors, tire pressure, and hydraulic fluid temperatures. The Columbia disintegrated about 15 minutes before it was scheduled to land at Kennedy Space Center. On the first day of the disaster, searchers began finding remains of the astronauts. Within 3 days of the crash, some remains of every crew member had been recovered. These recoveries occurred along the south of Hemp Hill, Texas, and west of Toledo Bend Reservoir. Now, Hemp Hill, Texas, that's an interesting name because when I was in high school, middle school actually, which we used to call junior high school, I had a teacher named Mrs. Hemphill, but it looks like Hemphill, Hemphill, Hemp Hill, Texas. That's how we pronounced it.